Number 1. 1959 Norton Dominator 99 600cc Wideline Featherbed, $7,500, San Jose, California. This 1959 Norton Dominator 99 is an exceptionally original British classic, featuring the legendary Wideline featherbed frame that helped define handling standards of its era. With just over 14,000 original miles and only 2 owners since new, this bike presents a rare opportunity to own a largely untouched survivor. The matching numbers engine and frame, original polychromatic gray paint, and factory components like Lucas Electrics, Girling shocks, and Smith's chronometric speedometer all contribute to its authenticity. Despite visible patina from years of real-world use, the bike remains mechanically sound, with a rebuilt top end by a respected specialist and less than 1,000 miles since that work. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and delivers a balanced ride thanks to its well-matched 600cc twin and iconic chassis. For collectors who value originality and riding heritage, this Norton offers both historical significance and an engaging riding experience. Number 2. 1953 Harley-Davidson Panhead Bob Job, $27,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1953 Harley-Davidson Panhead Bob Job is a striking vintage custom that blends historical significance with classic American chopper styling. Recently acquired from the National Motorcycle Museum, it carries a strong provenance and has been maintained in running condition. Powered by the iconic 74 cubic inch V-twin engine, it delivers the unmistakable feel and sound that defines early Harley-Davidson performance. Equipped with a jockey shift, foot clutch, and kickstart-only setup, this bike offers a true old-school riding experience, best suited for experienced riders. The rigid frame and Springer front end enhance its raw mechanical character, while its California registration makes it ready for the road. This is a rare opportunity to own a museum-quality panhead that combines authenticity, history, and bold custom appeal. Number 3. 1976 BMW R90S, $17,500, California. This 1976 BMW R90S is one of the most iconic sport motorcycles of its time, finished in its original Daytona orange paint and presented in remarkably preserved condition. With under 14,000 original miles and matching numbers, it stands out as a highly desirable example for collectors. Known for its performance and innovation, the R90S helped establish BMW's reputation in the sport touring segment. After being brought back from storage, the bike has successfully completed around 2,000 miles without issues, confirming its strong mechanical health. It runs smoothly, rides confidently, and maintains the refined feel BMW is known for. With a clean California title and excellent originality, this R90S is both a collectible investment and a capable vintage rider. Number 4. 1969 Triumph T100C, $4,900, Walnut Creek, California. This 1969 Triumph T100C is a well-preserved, numbers-matching example of a classic British twin, presented in original and unrestored condition. With just over 9,000 miles on the clock, it has been carefully maintained by its owner for the past decade using genuine Triumph parts sourced through proper channels. Its completeness and authenticity make it a standout among vintage Triumph models. The bike has been properly stored and comes with valuable documentation, including the original workshop manual and parts catalog. While it has not been recently ridden, its careful preservation suggests strong potential as both a collector piece and a future rider. With current registration and a clean title, this Triumph offers a solid foundation for enthusiasts seeking originality. Number 5. 1950 Moto Guzzi Astore 500, $22,275, Bayview, California. This 1950 Moto Guzzi Astore 500 is a beautifully restored example of one of Italy's most iconic post-war motorcycles. Known for its elegant design and innovative engineering, the Astore represents a significant chapter in Moto Guzzi history. This particular bike has undergone a careful and faithful restoration, preserving its original character while ensuring mechanical readiness. Featuring distinctive elements like enclosed valve springs, a separate oil tank, and a Del Orto carburetor, the bike showcases the craftsmanship and engineering detail of its era. It has been inspected, refreshed, and road tested, making it suitable for both display and riding. With documentation, period-correct details, and a clean California title, this Astore is a true collector-grade machine that stands out in any vintage lineup. Number 6. 1973 Norton Commando, $20,000, Fairfax, California. This 1973 Norton Commando represents one of the most respected British performance motorcycles of its era, now fully restored to an exceptionally high standard. The bike has undergone a complete rebuild by an aeronautics engineer, ensuring precision, attention to detail, and top-tier craftsmanship throughout. With only around 2,000 miles since the rebuild, it remains fresh, refined, and ready for both spirited riding and serious collection use. Known for its strong parallel twin engine and the innovative isolastic frame system, the Commando delivers a smooth yet powerful riding experience. Every aspect of this motorcycle has been upgraded or refreshed for reliability and performance, making it far more than just a cosmetic restoration. For collectors and riders alike, this example offers a rare chance to own a properly sorted, high-performance classic that blends heritage with modern-level refinement. Number 7. 1960 MV Agusta Centomila 125/125, $6,975, Bayview, California. This 1960 MV Agusta Centomila 125 is a beautifully restored lightweight Italian classic that played a significant role in the brand's early success. Named to celebrate the milestone of 100,000 units sold, the Centomila is known for its stylish design, responsive handling, and reliable 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. This example has been carefully restored and preserved, showcasing its elegant two-tone paint and period-correct details. Mechanically refreshed and fully sorted, the bike offers a lively and engaging ride, despite its smaller displacement. Its lightweight chassis, sporty riding position, and clean vintage styling make it a standout piece for collectors who appreciate European craftsmanship. With its strong historical significance and excellent presentation, this MV Agusta is both a functional motorcycle and a display-worthy classic. Number 8. 1980 Honda CBX1000, $21,975, Bayview, California. This 1980 Honda CBX1000 is an iconic superbike that showcases Honda's engineering excellence with its legendary inline-6 engine. Producing impressive power and a unique exhaust note, the CBX remains one of the most distinctive motorcycles ever built. This particular example has been partially restored and fully serviced, including carburetor tuning, ensuring it starts easily and runs smoothly. Originally a European market model, it retains its full performance specification, including higher horsepower output and a 240 km/h speedometer. With just over 18,000 miles, it remains in excellent overall condition, with strong paint, bright chrome, and well-preserved components. For enthusiasts seeking a rare and technically impressive vintage machine, this CBX delivers both performance and collector appeal. Number 9. 1982 Laverda Jota 1000, $29,975, Bayview, California. This 1982 Laverda Jota 1000 is a rare and highly desirable Italian superbike with a strong pedigree, previously part of a notable collection and displayed at the Museo Moto Laverda in Italy. Featuring the sought-after UK spec configuration with more aggressive cam profiles, this bike delivers exceptional performance and a distinctive exhaust note that defines the Jota experience. With just over 6,000 original miles and a professional restoration completed by a specialist, it remains in outstanding condition both cosmetically and mechanically. Recent servicing ensures it runs and rides like new, offering both reliability and thrilling performance. This is a serious collector-grade motorcycle that combines rarity, history, and raw speed into one exceptional package.
Number 10. 1975 Yamaha XS750, $5,750, Woodside, California. This 1975 Yamaha XS750 is a unique and versatile vintage triple that offers smooth performance and strong usability. Known for its distinctive 3-cylinder engine, the XS750 delivers a balance of torque and high revving capability, making it enjoyable for both cruising and spirited riding. This example has been updated with several custom touches, including upgraded components and styling refinements. Recent additions such as new tires, custom seat setup, and performance-oriented details enhance both comfort and functionality. The bike is street-plated and comes with a clean title, along with a spare engine included in the sale, adding extra value for enthusiasts. Whether used as a rider or a project platform, this Yamaha stands out as a practical and engaging classic motorcycle.
Number 11. 1979 Vespa Rally 200, $7,975, Bayview, California. This 1979 Vespa Rally 200 is one of the most desirable classic scooters ever produced, combining timeless Italian design with improved performance from its upgraded 200cc engine. Finished in an attractive aqua and creme color scheme, this example presents beautifully with strong paint, bright finishes, and a well-preserved overall appearance. With just over 11,000 miles, it remains a solid and highly collectible vintage machine. Mechanically, this Vespa has benefited from a comprehensive overhaul in 2022, including engine and transmission rebuilds, followed by recent maintenance such as a new battery, fuel tap, and tune-up. It runs well and offers a smooth, easy riding experience, perfect for both city cruising and casual weekend rides. With its combination of style, usability, and strong service history, this Rally 200 stands out as a top-tier vintage scooter. Number 12. 1966 BSA A65T Thunderbolt, $3,200, San Jose, California. This 1966 BSA A65T Thunderbolt is a remarkably original British twin with just over 3,700 miles, making it a rare low-mile survivor. After spending decades in storage, the bike has recently been carefully brought back to life with extensive recommissioning work. This included cleaning the fuel system, flushing and replacing all fluids, servicing the brakes, and ensuring the electrical system is functioning properly. Despite its long period of inactivity, the engine remains strong with excellent compression, and the bike now runs and rides again. Its originality, combined with its backstory and careful revival, makes it especially appealing to collectors. For those seeking a true survivor with minimal modifications, this Thunderbolt offers authenticity and a solid foundation for continued enjoyment. Number 13. 1975 Kawasaki S3A 400 Triple, $8,800, Menlo Park, California. This 1975 Kawasaki S3A 400 Triple has undergone a meticulous nut and bolt restoration, bringing it back to near show quality condition. Nearly every component has been refurbished, replaced, or refinished, including new old stock parts, fresh plating, and detailed cosmetic work. The custom pearl white and blue paint scheme adds a tasteful modern touch while maintaining its classic appeal. Mechanically, the top end has been refreshed with new pistons and rings, ensuring strong performance once completed. While it still requires final assembly items such as a rear sprocket and chain, the majority of the work has already been done to a high standard. This makes it an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a nearly finished, high-quality restoration project.
Number 14. 1971 Bultaco Sherpa S200, $8,500, Morgan Hill, California. This 1971 Bultaco Sherpa S200 is a classic Spanish trials motorcycle that has spent many years as a display piece, preserving its condition and originality. Known for its lightweight design and excellent off-road capability, the Sherpa series played a major role in the development of modern trials riding. This example shows very well and retains strong visual appeal. Although it has not been recently started, the bike has good compression and spark, suggesting solid mechanical potential. Previously acquired at auction and kept in a private collection, it represents a unique addition for enthusiasts interested in vintage off-road machines. With its rarity and historical importance, this Bultaco is both a collectible and a conversation piece.
Number 15. 1974 Kawasaki 900Z1A, $18,975, Bayview, California. This 1974 Kawasaki 900Z1A is a legendary superbike that helped define the performance motorcycle category in the 1970s. Featuring a fully restored Italian market example, this bike has been brought back to an exceptional standard, both cosmetically and mechanically. With approximately 17,000 miles, it offers a balance of originality and careful restoration. The Z1A is powered by a powerful inline-4 engine that delivers strong acceleration and a thrilling riding experience even by modern standards. This example has been thoroughly refreshed and tested, ensuring it runs as well as it looks. Whether used as a collector's centerpiece or enjoyed on the road, this Kawasaki represents one of the most iconic and exciting motorcycles of its era.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more hidden motorcycle deals across the USA.